Hey there, sharing 5 powerful documentaries for designers. Design and Thinking. Inspired by the values of design thinking, this documentary explores the main challenges of the 21st century and takes you on a journey to find out how we can change the world around us by thinking creatively. The Cool School. Watch it to learn how the LA contemporary art scene emerged in the 50s. This uplifting and offbeat documentary focuses on the Ferris Gallery and its founders and highlights some of the influential West Coast talents. Abstract, the Art of Design. It's a Netflix documentary series with each episode highlighting a contemporary designer in a variety of disciplines from typeface and costume design to bioarchitecture. Watch it to get inspired and learn how design impacts every aspect of our life. BBC, The Genius of Design. This 5-part series presents the history of design from the birth of industrial design all the way to the early 1990s, with fascinating stories about those who work hard to achieve a harmony of content and form. Press, Pose, Play. The documentary examines how the digital revolution is changing the creative landscape and the way we think about art, design, and life in general. It raises a bunch of complex questions, such as, are we all destined to drown in that digital ocean of popular culture? Check the Tilda education article for 20 more must-see documentaries. The link is in the description.